Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, Zoho Mail versus Google Workspace. Which one's better? Let's find out. Zoho Mail is part of the Zoho ecosystem, designed for professionals and small to mid-sized businesses seeking a privacy-focused email solution without ads. It offers features like a clean web interface, custom domain hosting, offline access, and built-in tools such as calendar, tasks, and notes. Its strengths include affordability, strong privacy controls, and tight integrations with other Zoho apps, making it easy for teams to manage communications, schedules, and projects in one place. For example, a small business can set up shared team mailboxes, assign tasks directly from the email interface, and link notes to specific client conversations. However, it can feel less intuitive for newcomers, especially if you're not familiar with the Zoho ecosystem, and advanced collaboration tools like document co-editing or large-scale workflow automation are not as deep as some competitors, which might be a consideration for fast-growing teams. On the other hand, Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, is Google's integrated suite of cloud tools, including Gmail, Drive, Docs, Meet, and Calendar. It is ideal for teams of any size who value real-time collaboration and reliability. Its strengths include seamless cross-app integration. For instance, you can schedule a meeting in Calendar while attaching Drive files and collaborating on Docs simultaneously. Powerful search to quickly locate emails or shared files. And industry-leading uptime, ensuring your team stays productive. On the downside, Google Workspace is more expensive than many alternatives, especially for larger teams requiring additional storage. And some users have concerns about data privacy and storage costs, since the platform stores your data in Google's cloud infrastructure. In short, Zoho Mail focuses on simplicity and privacy at a lower cost, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users, freelancers, and smaller teams who want essential tools without unnecessary complexity. Google Workspace emphasizes collaboration and scalability with a richer toolset, making it ideal for larger organizations, remote teams, or businesses that rely heavily on real-time teamwork and cloud-based document management. Choosing between the two really depends on whether your priority is cost-effective privacy or seamless collaboration and scalability. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you understand which email platform might fit your team best, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech comparisons and practical tips.